We're at the Praia de Itapuã in Salvador, and we're cleaning up the oil spill, helping out with the oil spill that occurred, and we got really dirty.
Yeah.
Thick, crude oil all over our feet and hands. And check out your legs.
Yeah, I've got some all over my legs.
And our feet. And look, you've got it all over your neck and your face.
Oh, jeez. We came out here, a friend of ours lives out here, and they were getting a group of people together to help clean up. And so we decided to come out here with our kids and offer to help just because we love the beach. What's interesting, nobody really knows what is going on with this oil spill. They don't know where it happened, when exactly it happened, where the oil is coming from. There's some speculation. They think it's oil from Venezuela, but no one knows for sure.
Just a couple of days ago, they took out 6 truckloads full of oil. It was about 67,000 kilos of oil, which is about 140,000 pounds of oil.
Just right out here, right in those beaches.
The Brazilian Navy was here with 200 people loading up these trucks with all that oil.
Bunch of volunteers.
The city brought in people.
The mayor, yeah. So 6 truckloads of oil. And so we came out kind of after the fact, which I'm happy to do some of the smaller cleanup, but we still got quite a few kilos ourselves. So we're out here to help. This is a tragedy. You know, it's really sad to see these pristine beaches now covered in oil. Also, it's really sad with the wildlife. There are a lot of sea turtles that they're finding covered in oil. There's a big project to get them found and cleared. There's also hundreds of sea turtle egg nests that they're trying to recover and rescue because the beaches are covered in oil. So we're out here doing our part and just want to make you guys aware of what's going on along the coastline here in Brazil, in Bahia.
Olha, segura o pescoço.
We are an American family. We've lived here for the last 2 years here in Salvador, Bahia, Brazil. And we love it here. We came to start a business. We have a trampoline park. And so we'd love to be involved and to help. These guys are getting oil-covered leaves out of the ocean.
Working it.
Gotta get these rods back to new. Let me see your feet, honey. That tar. So these are our buckets filled up with tar balls and tar-colored foliage. Chris is washing up, trying to clean off his feet from oil. And I got some too, I'm covered in it. If you want information on how to help, I can share with you some information, but you'll have to message me on Instagram at Our Brazilian Life because YouTube is having a problem with their comments right now and they're not working. But anyway, hit me up if you want information on how to help. Thank you for joining us on another video and we'll talk to you later. Ciao.